This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy beef broth for ramen. Forget complicated recipes. This method is straightforward and yields incredible flavor. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the simple simmering process. You'll be surprised how quickly you can achieve a restaurant-quality broth right in your own kitchen, perfect for your next ramen bowl. Let's gather our key ingredients for this amazing broth. Start with about 2 to 3 pounds of beef bones, such as oxtail or marrow bones, which provide a rich depth of flavor. For aromatics, grab 1 large onion, a 4-inch piece of fresh ginger, and about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. Finally, you'll need approximately 12 cups of cold water to ensure everything is submerged and extracts maximum flavor. Now for the cooking process, which is surprisingly simple. Begin by roasting your beef bones in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This adds a wonderful depth. Then, transfer the browned bones, along with your prepared onion, ginger, and garlic, into a large stock pot. Add approximately 12 cups of cold water, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let it cook on low heat for at least 3 to 4 hours. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, it's time to finish it up. Carefully strain the entire contents of your pot through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids. For a clearer broth, you can also skim any excess fat from the surface. Your rich, flavorful beef broth is now ready. Serve it piping hot with your favorite ramen noodles, a soft-boiled egg, and any other delicious toppings you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.